Pictionary is a fun game where players try to guess what other players are drawing. To play Pictionary, first split up into two teams with at least two players on each team. Each team selects a game piece and places it on the start square. Then, each team selects one member to be the artist for the first round. The artist on one team draws a card and shows it to all of the other artists. Then, the timer is flipped over and each artist begins drawing the word from the card. As they're drawing, players on their team try to guess what it is out loud. The first team to guess correctly rolls the die and moves their token that many squares. Then, that team chooses a new artist, and the artist pulls a new card. The color of the square that the team is on determines which word on the card the artist must draw. The timer is flipped over, and the new artist begins drawing. Only the playing team is allowed to guess what the word is this time. If the team guesses correctly before the time runs out, they roll again and repeat the process with a new artist. If the team doesn't guess correctly, the turn passes clockwise to the next team. Whenever a player lands on a square with the 4-pencil all symbol next to it, each team has an opportunity to draw and guess the word. The first team to guess gets to roll a die, move their piece, and continue playing. The first team to make it to the end of the board wins. To play Pictionary without the board, each team takes turns separately. The opposing team comes up with something to draw and writes it down on a piece of scrap paper. The team that is drawing selects an artist, and the opposing team gives them the word. The artist has 60 seconds to draw it out while their team guesses. If the team can correctly guess what the drawing is within 60 seconds, they get 1 point. Then, the next team goes, and the team that just went writes the word down. Play until a team reaches 5 or 10 points, depending on how long you want the game to be.